क्या होगा अगर मैं आपको बताऊं कि दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा एआई इवेंट अभी इंडिया में हो रहा है। नॉट इन सिलिकॉन वैली, नॉट इन चाइना, बट इन न्यू दिल्ली, इंडिया, जहां गूगल, ओपन एआई, एनवीडिया के सीईओज, ग्लोबल लीडर्स और 100 प्लस कंट्रीज एक ही जगह मिलने वाले हैं। दिस इज नॉट जस्ट अ टेक इवेंट, दिस इज इंडियाज एआई मोमेंट। वेलकम टू द सोलो इंजीनियर, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। India AI Impact Summit 2026 is a global AI summit hosted by Government of India under India AI Mission. Location Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi, and the date is
यह 5
from
दिन का
16
ग्लोबल
to
इवेंट
20th
है
Feb,
जहां वर्ल्ड लीडर्स
2026
सीईओज
CEOs, researchers, startups सब एक साथ आएंगे to shape the future of artificial intelligence. This is the first global AI summit hosted in Global South and more than 100 countries are participating. पूरी दुनिया इंडिया आ रही है एआई डिस्कस करने। मोटो ऑफ द समिट, इस समिट का थीम है सर्वजन हिताय सर्वजन सुखाय, मतलब एआई फॉर वेलफेयर ऑफ ऑल, एआई फॉर हैप्पीनेस ऑफ ऑल। एआई सिर्फ बिग टेक के लिए नहीं है, एआई हर इंसान के लिए। इंडिया इज टेलिंग द वर्ल्ड एआई शुड बेनिफिट ह्यूमैनिटी। Vision of the summit. This summit is built on three powerful sutras. People, AI should help society. Planet, AI should protect environment. Progress, AI should drive economic growth. Goal is to build responsible, inclusive and global AI that helps humanity and economy together. India wants to move from IT service nation to AI superpower. Main organizers are Government of India under Ministry of Electronics and IT and India AI Mission. This summit is the official flagship AI initiative to position India as global AI leader. Now coming to the next part, who all are coming? Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang, Microsoft founder Bill Gates, DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis, Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei, Mistral AI CEO Arthur Mintz, Adobe CEO Santanu Narayan, Accenture CEO Julie Sweet, Qualcomm CEO Cristiano Amon, and other global presidents, tech founders, researchers, investors, 100 plus countries, global CEOs, ministers, AI experts, all are coming in India. For the first time, the world is looking at India for AI leadership. इस समिट को 7 AI चक्रास गाइड करते हैं। AI skills and talent, AI for society, safe and trusted AI, innovation and startups, research and science, AI infrastructure, economic growth. These 7 chakras will drive India's AI future and global collaboration. Flagship events. Inside the summit, AI Expo, biggest AI exhibition, startup pitch and funding, research symposium, youth AI challenge, Yuva AI. AI for all global challenge, CEO roundtables, global partnerships, 7 flagship events engaging more than 3 lakh participants globally. Real innovations, real deals, real future of AI. Now why this is big for India? This summit can bring AI jobs boom, startup funding, global investment, tech partnerships, India as AI superpower. India is moving towards Viksit Bharat and AI leader future. AI will impact education, healthcare, jobs, startups, economy. अगर आप स्टूडेंट हो, डेवलपर हो या स्टार्टअप फाउंडर हो या टेक लवर हो, you should be part of this. Register now on official website impact.indiaai.gov.in. Be part of India's AI future. And for real tech insights, no hype, only reality, subscribe to the channel The Solo Engineer, where tech meets reality. Because this AI revolution is just getting started. Catch you in the next story on The Solo Engineer, where tech meets real life.